Guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make cornflower blue color. For this we'll need some ultramarine blue color, magenta color and white color, and also a palette which I'm using a container. I'm not using a palette so that it can be reused, a brush, some water. So let's get started. First we'll take one part of ultramarine blue color and put it on the container, or I'm using a container, so container. If you are using a palette, then a palette. And then one part of magenta color and mix both the colors, and one part of white color and mix all the colors nicely. And our cornflower blue color is ready. Let me show you by applying it on the paper. Like this. And if you like watching color mixing videos, you can watch the color mixing playlist on my channel by clicking on the end screen playlist, which will appear, and also by clicking on the I button. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.